Hello students, welcome in chapter 10, straight lines. Students, today I continue our exercise 10.1, question number 7. Find the slope of the line which measures angle 30 degree with positive direction of y-axis with measure anti-clockwise. Students, very easy, is measure with the anti-clockwise value. So students, I want to slopes, always slope angle related, you will take tan theta, and theta is what? Yes, positive direction of x axis. So here given our direction with y axis, so can I draw our drawing? That is the y axis and here x axis, and consider this is a line, any line. Here two directions, one of the that, one of the this taking positive direction of y-axis, this is negative direction of y-axis. So I will write down here this degree is a 30 degree with anti-clockwise. Definitely that also 30. This 90. This is a 60 degree. And that angle is your theta. What? Positive direction of x axis, then become tan theta and theta taking value and slope derive. So slope of line, students, I will write down only tan theta, and theta is what? How much? 60. That is theta. It is linear pair. 180 minus 60 because 120, and mention where theta is what? Positive direction of x axis. This must be, you can draw the angle with positive direction of x axis, students, because that is the rule, and here given y axis with positive, so you can cover with positive direction of x axis. Now calculation very easy. 180 minus 60, second quadrant you know all STC wise, 180 minus, students, it is a minus 1060, and 1060 you get that here value is what? Root 3. So that's your become minus root 3 answer. And students, here question 7 easily done. Now continue students, question number 8. Find the value of x for given 3 points are collinear. Collinear means lies on the same line. Just I draw one of the line here, and you will take 3 different points A, B and C. A I have x comma minus 1. B just I taking 2, 1, and third 4, 5. So if A comma B comma C are collinear, it means definitely all lies on same lines, so slopes are same. So I just taking, students, slope of line AB is equal to slope of line BC. Either you will take slope of AC. Now A and B between apply slope point formula. Apply for the slope. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 1 minus minus 1, that y and this y, upon 2 minus x, same as 5 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 4 minus 2. So here 1 plus 1 by 2 minus x, here 4 by 2, 5 minus 1 4, and 4 minus 2. So finally students, you have to here 2 by 2 minus x, that also cancel. Again you cutting it. So 1 upon 2 minus x is equal to 1. It means 2 minus x is equal to 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to x. X become, students, exactly here 1, and this x value is simple derived. Now students, we continue one more. What is the most IMP numerical? Without using distance formula, prove that given vertices are the vertex of parallelogram. You know students, what is the properties of parallelogram? First property, opposite sides must be parallel, and if you parallel then slopes are same. And second, yes, diagonals are bisect each other at a common point. that 2 points I prove in this sum, then we can say given vertices is a vertex of parallelogram. First of all, students, I draw on this coordinate plane our given points, x-axis, y-axis. Just taking x-axis -2, 4, 3 and -3. So here 0, 1, 2, maximum 4, minimum -3. And on y-axis checking, they have -1, 0, 3 and 2. So here 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. Approx value put it and plot the drawing. -2, -1. Here x -2, -1. Here we get first. Secondly, 4, 0 means here your B point. Third, 3, 3 means x3, y3. It means approximately here C point 3, 3. And the D is last -3, 2 is that here -3, 2 approximately here D. And just I joined all vertex, you get a one of the quadrilateral. And this quadrilateral I will prove here it is a parallelogram. First I prove it is parallel. It means slope of AB and slope of CD are same. And then I start first slope of AB line. Very easy, formula same, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 0 minus -1 by 4 minus -2. It means 1 by 6. Same, students, we going ahead. Slope of same parallel DC. D to C apply, either C to D apply. 3 minus 2 by 3 minus -3. Same, it is equal. Therefore, slope of AB is equal to slope of DC. It means, students, you can say confirmly AB is parallel to DC. Also, you can necessarily show here AB intersection DC is null set. If you any set available, then they are collinear. Yes, but it is null set. That's why I am taking AB parallel to CD, statement 1. Now I go to BC and DS slopes, and they are also equal. I prove 1 by 1, and then we can cover to second lines are two parallel. Our target achieved. Anyhow, prove parallelogram, and parallelogram property I students here 1 by 1 derive. So continue. Slope of same now I taking to BC. Similarly apply 0 minus 3 by 4 minus 3 minus 3 by 1, which is -3. Same operate. Slope of exact opposite sides, it is AD. Slope of AD, I mean DA. So -1 -2 -1 -2, same -2 plus 3 -2 plus 3. And same checking, you getting your -3 by 1 -3. It means same. So slope of a line BC is equal to slope of a line AD, and they are same. So BC is parallel to AD. Also, you can show here BC intersect AD is what? Null set. That's why you will take this parallel. If you null set not exist, some elements, some common points, then they are a collinear. It is your statement number 2. Now I go to third case. Diagonals bisect each other. It means midpoints are same. So now I taking students, next case is midpoint of diagonal. First diagonal I will take to A to C. And midpoint formula, you know, x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. Students, here A to C, you can operate here in simple way. A I have -2 plus 3 by 2, -1 plus 3 by 2. They get your value, students. -2 plus 3 means half, and -1 plus 3 means again 2. It is half, they get 2 by 2. It means half comma 1. Similarly, students, now we will check BD midpoint. Midpoint of diagonal BD, and BD also same apply to midpoint. Yes, B to D minus 3 plus 4 by 2 and 2 plus 0 by 2. You check here, it is half comma 1. They are same? Yes, definitely. So we can say yes, both diagonal AC and BD what? Bisect each other. That is the property of parallelogram. So yes, both diagonal AC and BD are bisect each other. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a what? Yes, is our parallelogram, and that, students, your answer. Simply you can prove your sum here. Students, here we get three properties. One of the first, opposite sides parallel, second also opposite sides parallel, and third, diagonals are bisected each other. So that is your equation number 3 you apply, and here mentioned from 1, 2 and 3 you can line this line. So quadrilateral ABCD is what? It is a parallelogram. Now continue, students. Question number 10. Find the angle between x-axis and joining the line from the points are 3, -1 and 4, -2. Very easy, students. First of all, I draw our x-axis and related our 2 points. First point is a 3, -1 means 1, 2, 3. Here -1 means you are here, A points. And secondly given 4, -2. So I taking here 4 and -2, approx here 4, -2. Now I join this line, and I want to x-axis between the angle means this angle I define alpha. Very easy. Define the slope of AB. Yes, slope of AB. Formula you known, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So -2 plus 1 by 4 minus 3, it get -1. But slope of line, if you angle converted positive direction of x-axis, you will take tan theta. And tan theta if you negative, definitely theta made 180 minus. When tan is 145 degree, it cover 135 degree. That's your answer, students. Here 130. Why I take here minus? Because a unique line cover maximum 0 to 180 degree. In tan negative, it means you are in all as TC wise in second quadrant. That's why I written here 180 minus 45. And here, students, angle between them theta, either you will take alpha, and even it is true for 135 degree. Now, students, after that I going to 11th sum. Now, students, time coming to 11 questions, which is very most IMP. The slope of the line 1 is double the other line. It means 2 lines given, an angle between them tangent angle given, it is a 1/3. Students, this line you can made the cover of this value tan alpha is 1/3 and find out slope of the 2 lines. So I consider this is my 2 lines L1. Second, your L2 in your coordinate plane. This is your coordinate plane, x-axis, origin and y-axis. An angle between them, here I just assume it is alpha. That is a suggestion, and tan alpha is given. Now both slopes, one of the slope is M1, second is M2. So suppose slope of line L1 is M1. That I assume that, and continue slope of line L2 is M2. But read that slope of the one is double the other. So can I take M2 is a double of M1? That's our double slope taking according to given. Now angle between, yes, angle between 2 lines tan alpha I will known here M1 minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 M2, and tangent value 1/3 already given, and is equal to what is the M1? Yes, M1 is your same as but m2 is a 2m1, same is here 2m1. Now 2m1 m1 square, here 1 by 3, here minus m1 upon 1 plus 2m1 square. So finally you will done here m1 by 1 plus 2m1 square. Students, here minus value, I will take plus in the magnitude. Now here there are two cases, one of the positive, one of the negative, and both way I one by one explain you. I think here total 4 answers are possible to in this criteria. So first I take positive, 1 by 3 is equal to m1 upon 1 plus 2 m1 square, or in another minus 1/3 is equal to m1 upon 1 plus 2 m1 square. Students, you will take here 2 partition, and both partition are individual answer. So 1 plus 2m1 square, 3m1. So 2m1 square minus 3m1 plus 1. Now splitting 2 ones are 2, I get 3. So 2m1 square minus 2m1 minus 1m1, and you will take 2 common. So 2m1 common, we get m1 minus 2. Similarly minus 1 common, and here 1 students, sorry, 2 common, then only m1 minus 1, here also m1 minus 1. So my answer is m1 minus 1 into 2m1 minus 1. There are 2 different value of m1, one kind of 1, otherwise is a half. Students, here your 2 cases done. Same now I going to in this variable. So minus of 1 into 1 plus 2m1 square is equal to 3m1. I only write down the cross multiply value. So minus 1 minus 2m1 square, 3m1. So can I rearrange? Yes. 2m1 square, 3m1 plus 1. Splitting same but in positive, 2 ones are 2, I get 3. So 2m1 square plus 2m1 plus 1m1 plus 1 and 2 common. So 2m1 is common, remaining are m1 plus 1, same as m1 plus 1. So your data is m1 plus 1 into 2m1 plus 1. Here also possibility to different answer coming. So m1 is equal to minus 1, or secondly m1 is equal to minus half. That the students your next two answers. It means our target done, find the slope of the lines. So I just write down our whole answer in this a simple in box form. Slope of line L1 is m1, and second, slope of line M2, I mean L2, is M2, but M2 what? 2 times of M1. And here students, you will take your slopes. Total 4 cases available. First answer M11, half, minus 1 and minus half. You can apply 1 here. You will get answer is what? 2. It means this pair is true. Either half put it, then answer is 1. Either this pair also true. Minus 1 put it, then minus 2 answer. Either third case is true, and last minus half put it, then minus 1. It means students, either this true, either that, either this, either this. That your value cover to slope of 2 lines L1 and L2. Yes students, here our 11 question is easily done here. Now continue students, question number 12. This is also very simple question. A line passing through x1, y1 and hk. If the slope of line is given m, then prove that k minus y1 is equal to m h minus x1. Students, consider here one of our line, and that slopes have 2 points is required, that a and b already are given, x1, y1, and second I have hk, and that slope is also given m and the slope formula known. Yes, slope of line AB is m, already given, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, k minus y1 upon h minus x1. And students, you can apply simple cross multiply. So k minus y1 is equal to m h minus x1. And that's the students, you are easily and happily, our target is proofing. Simple, done. Now I continue students, question number 13. This is also very easy but IMP numerical. If 3 points, consider one of the A, B, C. A is H0, B I have AB, and C 0K lies on the same line. Yes, lie on the same line. Then prove that, students, our target is prove that, show that A upon H, B upon K is equal to 1. That is a full equation. Prove that A upon H plus B upon K is equal to 1. Same concept. That's a consider our one of the line. They have 3 points, A, B and C. A H0, B AB and C 0K. And apply that our same line. It means, yes, slopes are same. Here A comma B comma C are collinear. So slope of line AB is equal to slope of line BC, and AB and BC slopes are equal. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, B minus 0 by A minus H. We apply the formula for point wise. Same, K minus B upon 0 minus A. So B upon A minus H, K minus B upon minus A. And students, you can only apply to cross multiplications. So minus AB, this side K minus B into A minus H. So can we write down here expansion both sides? KA minus KH minus AB plus BH. Easily your AB and AB gone because both minus. And my target achieved is equal to 1. So I just write down here KH, right to left. KH, KA plus BH. Now I divide it to each term. Yes, KH is equal to KA plus BH. Both sides be divided by K and H. Here KH divide, KH divide, KH divide. This cancel. It is 1. This side cancel A upon H. This cancel, students, B upon K. It means A upon H plus B upon K is equal to 1. And that's your students simple and easy way our target is done. Now I go to students question number our 14 question. Now students, after ending 13, we going ahead again very most IMP question number 14. Consider the following populations year wise given this diagram. Means in this diagram given students x-axis on the our years and the y-axis given that population in crores given that, and one of the line given have 2 points. In year 1985 there are 92 crores population in a city, and another in 1995 years 97 crores yes population in this city. And our target, what is the slope of line AB, and second target, how many population in the year 2010. So in the 2010, after I explain, first of all I explain only slope of line AB. So students, only I start one of the slope of line AB, and formula you know, if you 2 points given, then y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. A x1 y1 consider, B x2 y2. So your data is students 97 minus 92 upon 1995 minus 1985. And easily students, you will calculations and get the simple slope of the line AB declared. And after that we will start how many population in the year 2010. So students, here only 5 and here only 10. Slope is ready half. Now my target, if you 2010, if you increase about that this line, definitely you have to here some y points. I just assume C points 2010 comma y. So suppose in year 2010 population y crore. Yes, population. Yes, asking that about that population in y crores. Yes, that's your related to your y-axis. That's why I'm taking 2010 comma y. So point C 2010 comma y crores lies on the line AB. That's why we can say A, B and C are collinear. A dash, B dash, C are collinear. Now, collinear means what? Slope same. So I just write down slope of line AB is equal to slope of line A to B, now B to C. And simple apply slope of AB, you know already, it calculate half. But this side BC slope B to C, formula same, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y minus 97 by 2010 minus 1995. Yes students, simple you calculate, it get half is same, y minus 97 and here how much? 5 and 10, total 15. So 15 by 2, y minus 97. But I want to y, it is 7.5 and y minus 97. So y become 97 plus 7.5. So does you just added 7.5 with 97. So here 5, 14, 1 and 10 means my answer is a 104.5 crores population in the year, yes, in the year 2010. Similarly students, you can calculate if your line is moving ahead up to top 2010, 2015, 2020, 2025, because slopes is same, increasing growth is same, you can cover easily and simple way students. Here answer is very easily done. So now students, after ending these our questions 14, this part I stop here students, and further explanations to slope related lines I explain you in the next part. Okay students, bye bye, see you.